So as you know, PLU March endorsed Anita Mong, clearly stating they endorsed the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mong, and Thomas Tayebwa. But things have changed. On the 12th of May, the very swearing day of Museveni, PLU changed their mind. They retracted and withdrew with immediate effect the endorsement for Anita Mong and Thomas Tayebwa, and instructed everyone to wait for the candidate that Museveni will present to them. Now, what does that one mean? Meaning, definitely Museveni will no longer present Anita Mong, most likely, or even will not present Anita Mong and Thomas Tayebwa. But I think it's all about Anita Mong. They decided just to include Thomas Tayebwa for diplomatic reasons.
Speaker and Deputy Speaker respectively for the 12th Parliament of Uganda by the letter dated 11th March 2026 is retracted and withdrawn with immediate effect. 2. That the leadership of the Patriotic League of Uganda encourages its honorable members-elect to support the candidates that will be presented to them by his...
We must remember that a night before that, Muhoozi had been tweeting so long where he criticized Anita Mong for buying that 3.4 billion Rolls Royce, and where he said even his father or himself has never sat in a Rolls Royce, and went ahead to say Anita Mong is a thief. But also we should not forget, he said also that Mong is DP, and PLU cannot support, PLU or NRM can support somebody who is a DP. We don't know whether that is a power play or trying to make the politics a little bit complicated, but time will be the one to tell. So something that came on my mind is, Muhoozi might have told Daudi Kabanda that I'm leaving you with this letter, I'm going for the swearing-in ceremony. The moment I get back, the moment you get back, I think as soon as the swearing is coming to an end, or it concludes, please read the letter. And Daudi Kabanda did exactly that one, because the timing was was mind-blowing. Immediately after the swearing is when things were read out. So Anita Mong also had some interaction with Muhoozi, where a lot of internet were joking that Anita Mong might have been requesting Muhoozi that please don't change your mind, and Muhoozi said, I told you to take back that Rolls Royce. Well, it's not easy. The visuals are the only ones that were got. The audios could not be got, and yeah, in the video you can clearly see signs of desperation. And the husband, Magugu, was also standing near these two people, and Muhoozi seemed not satisfied with whatever Anita Mong was telling him. You could see from his visual expression, if you see the pictures with other people, he was interactive, very impressed. But with Anita Mong, there was a clear sign of hesitation, if only the face can also communicate. Well, Noban Mo also was captured during the swearing-in, who was smiling, sat down as calmly, as if he knew what was happening outside the swearing ground. So Mao smiling with some of the people surrounding him. I think one person was the Attorney General, Iwanoka. So if you didn't watch, here is exactly the moment that Willy Kabanda withdrew for Muhoozi. Mapenduzi also was seen in the corner, one of the strong endorsers of Anita Mong. He endorsed Anita Mong very, very highly. It was shocking because they were the first lot of the people alongside Riki and Akol Anthony to jump out and endorse Anita Mong, and were first in the entire country, yet they also come from the same sub-region. Mapenduzi earlier, before the swearing in day, as usual, I think he's using TikTok he's using dances to build his TikTok followers with username the Oracle dances. I don't know if we will be watching more dances after this. Bad news from the PLU side to the potential boss, that's Anita Mong. We will keep watching. Two leaders from Agago district also shared their congratulations to Museveni, that is Honorable Minister Akori, Minister of State for Economic Monitoring, congratulated Museveni, looking forward to work. And also LC5 chairperson elect Tao Wilson also congratulated the president, and he is also seriously looking forward to work together. And with that, now I leave you with a summary of the swearing.